The router at your home is the most unsung hero of the present times. It is the ultimate device that keeps you glued to your smartphones, tablets, laptops, and whatnot. The best home Wi-Fi router is the one that gives you an error-free connection and hassle-free streaming. The best router for the home will fulfill all your requirements such as video gaming, HD streaming, video calling, etc. Here is the list of features that the best router for the home should possess. Dual band Wi-Fi. Your home router must have dual band Wi-Fi. As at home there are different networking requirements for different family members. Some might want to play live video games while the others would wish to browse the internet. Having a router that gives dual band Wi-Fi is of great advantage because there will be no interruptions in the range and the efficiency of the router if it will have dual Wi-Fi. These kinds of routers transmit two simultaneous wireless signals and are one of the fastest Wi-Fi routers available in the market at present. Guest Wireless Network. A home router must have guest wireless network features. Guests might often visit your place and ask for the Wi-Fi password. So, owning a router that gives guest network connectivity is more convenient and safe. Having the feature of the guest network on your router for home use will keep you safe from all the suspicious activities of the visitors. You also do not need to change your router password and username every time a guest arrives at your living place. WPA Enterprise. The best home Wi-Fi router should be reasonably secure. It must be secured via WPA or WPA2 Personal. But for the added security, it is better if your router has WPA Enterprise as well. WPA Personal have the same password and username for every user, and it can fall into the hands of the wrong people easily. This feature provides each user for a unique encryption key, but the user can never see it. So, the users can't share their password and username with others. It gives the utmost level of security and safety to the owner of the router. Wireless on or off button. Another important feature that a home router should have is the button for turning the device on or off, because at times there can be a need to turn the device off. For example, at the time of troubleshooting the router or when you have to attach an extender. It is easier to turn on and off the device physically rather than the logging into the configurations and turning it off. You can turn on or off your router with this feature in no time. Further, this feature also gives you the advantage of physically turning the router off and avoid the kids from automatically turning it on again. Detachable antennas. Detachable antennas on a router are one of the crucial features of the portable Wi-Fi routers. These kinds of routers are prevalent nowadays as they are compact and sleek devices. You can also take them to another place and reattach the antennas according to your requirements. Gigabit Ethernet. The faster Wi-Fi router must have the Gigabit Ethernet. Your internet connection will be more stable and enduring. If you have wired devices at your home, then having a router with Gigabit Ethernet is very important. It will be very effective when you have to transfer files of large size on your network from your PC. It is mainly used for LAN networks, that is local area networks. It has a very high rate of data transmission. A router for home use that is equipped with Gigabit Ethernet will transmit data at the rate of 1 billion bits per second, that is 1 gigabit. USB port. Having a USB port in your router makes it a more portable Wi-Fi router as you can quickly share the contents of a storage device beyond your network irrespective of the location. You can also use the USB port in the router to give access to other devices such as a printer or webcam. A USB port in the router gives the user many advantages as the user does not need to carry USB cable and wires along with the router. IP version 6 support. The router that provides IP version 6 support is known to be the best router for the long range. Not all routers are equipped with IP version 6 support. So, you must ensure this feature is included before you buy the best router for the long range. IP version 6 stands for Internet Protocol version 6 and its main purpose is to enable data communications beyond its an older version IPv4. It is a network layer protocol that works by a packet switched network. Media prioritization. Quality of service or QoS or media prioritization is another advanced feature that only the best routers for home use give you. It gives you the capability to prioritize certain kinds of Wi-Fi traffic that you want to feature in the first place. With so many connected devices on the single router, such as multiple cell phones, tablets, PCs, etc., the connectivity can slow down a bit. When you enable the media prioritization feature on your router, you can choose which device you want to allocate more bandwidth, and you can allow appropriate bandwidth to your favorite devices. For example, you can set the QoS option in the admin panel of the router that you want to prioritize video gaming or say live streaming. This means that if someone is video calling on the connection of the same router and you are playing an online video game, your game will not face any quality or connectivity issues. eSATA. When you have to exchange large files and a huge amount of data, at some point, Ethernet cables might fail to do the job perfectly. The need for the speed of data exchange surpasses the maximum capability of Ethernet cables, and then the need for eSATA arrives. For example, when you have to transfer a terabyte file of backup from an external source at the speed of 1000 MB per second, it will take around 2 to 3 hours. eSATA refers to External Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. It allows the external device to exchange data much quicker than Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Routers that are supported by the eSATA feature are the fastest Wi-Fi routers and have no limitations in any manner. It gives you the maximum speed to transfer files over the internet. Beamforming. It is another advanced router feature that you get in the best routers for home. With the help of beamforming or spatial filtering, you can focus the signal in one direction of your home. It will help the signal in one particular direction rather than splitting the signal range in the same quantity all over the house. It increases your overall connectivity and powers the signal in one direction where you stay the most. How will be the best home Wi-Fi router benefit you? Gone are the times when the fastest Wi-Fi routers were used for office purposes only. The times have changed now, and every household needs the fastest Wi-Fi router at present. A best home Wi-Fi router will serve multiple purposes. The students can learn their subjects by streaming educational videos, and you can talk to your faraway relatives face to face by video calling. The young children also now demand long-range Wi-Fi routers so that they can be roaming anywhere nearby the house and still have access to the internet. So, here is how a long-range Wi-Fi router will be advantageous to you. High-speed internet. Bringing the fastest Wi-Fi router to your home will give you a high-speed internet connection. You will get the desired search results and videos within seconds when you use the fastest Wi-Fi router. High-speed internet will not only save your time but will also increase productivity. You can stream multiple videos at a time and learn many skills online when you have a fast network on your device. An uncountable number of downloads. When you have the best home Wi-Fi router, you can download any number of videos you want to. There is no limit on the number of downloads or data usage you get in a single day. You do not have to wait for the next day to download another lengthy video. When you have the fastest Wi-Fi router, downloading a video or say a movie, it's just a matter of few seconds. Eliminate the need for extender. If you own a long-range Wi-Fi router, you will not need to spend extra money on buying an extender. The best router for a long range will give you network coverage in a wide area without compromising on the speed. You do not have to buy extra cables or wire extenders or anything such type. A long range Wi-Fi router will effectively do the job of the router and the extender as well. Connect multiple devices. You can connect multiple digital devices on your router and the quality of connection of the best home Wi-Fi router will not be affected. You do not have to take different internet connections for different devices, as you can connect all your digital devices with one router itself. Unlimited gaming. When you bring a long-range Wi-Fi router to the home, then you can do unlimited gaming all day long. You can also connect different devices to the same router and play games online with other family members. You do not need to share your phones this way, yet can still play together on the same platform. Monitoring network usage. Many best routers for home come with advanced security features. Some high-end routers can monitor network usage and can suspect when there is any unusual activity. The best router for the home monitors the network usage and will send you email alerts in case of some problem. Advanced security. When you use the fastest Wi-Fi router, you also get the perk of high network security along with other advantages that routers offer. Many routers have firewalls to safeguard the router and the sensitive information from the hackers. These routers provide considerable protection and safety to your network. Parental controls. You might not be aware of this peculiarity of routers, but the latest routers come along with the features of parental controls. You can filter the websites that you wish your children not to see. The router will automatically ban those websites and data from showing up on the devices that are connected to the router. It will help safeguard your children's net surfing activities and digital gaming. Multiple connections at the same time. All of you might not know that routers are used for enhancing network connectivity. The main purpose of the router is to enhance connectivity and provide a hub for connectivity of the devices. You can connect any digital device on the same platform as your router. You do not have to get a different internet connection for different devices. Even multiple computers or laptops can use the same connection through a common router. You can also connect different devices to the router through ports and cable connections. This applies to all the digital devices that include DSL input or by 3G mobile using USB dongle. Improved protection. A computer, laptop, tablet, mobile phone or any other device that is directly connected to the internet is more prone to hacking and attacks. When you use the internet through the router, it provides more protection and security. The presence of the router between your device and the internet makes you less vulnerable to attacks and security hacks. Routers is work from home. In times of uncertainty, when it is not safe to leave your homes, a long-range Wi-Fi router will prove to be the best friend. There might be days when you cannot travel to the office but have to complete the targets. In such scenarios, the fastest Wi-Fi routers will assist you in completing your projects. You can keep your productivity level high even in times of uncertainty and panic if you have a good quality router at home. High productivity. When you have the fastest Wi-Fi router at your home and you are working from home, it will let you maintain your productivity. With the best router for home, you do not have to worry about the connectivity issues and the speed. As the routers also provide extra security and encryption, your data will be staying safe. Signal management apps. Many latest models of best routers for the home come along with mobile app compatibility. You can check the network settings of your home Wi-Fi router from any remote location with the help of network management apps that are specially assigned for router setups. With this feature, you can manage settings from your mobile phone to prioritize speed and range between different devices. You can alter the speed, block websites you do not wish to see the kids see, and set data limits, etc. It also enables you to access your home security cameras while you are at work or away from your place for some other reason. High-end encryption. Router manufacturing companies understand the need for protecting your sensitive data. Many routers have high-end encryptions that will prevent data theft and information hacks on the internet. You can work, surf internet, upload and download files without the worry of getting your information passed on to the wrong hands. How to place your Wi-Fi router to make the best use of it? To ensure that you are getting the most out of your Wi-Fi router for home, you have to place it appropriately. To get the maximum Wi-Fi signal and range from your long-range Wi-Fi router, keep the router in a central elevated position just like that of a desktop or some shelf. To avoid the cutting down of signals, do not place your router around thick solid walls, metal articles and HVAC equipment. Make sure that wherever you place the router, the area is clutter-free as the large objects and electronic devices may hinder the range from the router. Here is the list of some of the best long-range Wi-Fi router and best home Wi-Fi routers. D-Link DIR615 Wireless N300 Router. Dimensions 198 cm by 127 cm by 32 cm. Connector type RJ45. Data range of transfer 802.11n. Wireless type 802.11n. Product link. Check the video description box for product link. TP-Link TL WR845N. Dimensions 14.4 cm by 23 cm by 3.5 cm. Connector type wireless. Data range 300 MB per second. Wireless type 802.11 BGN. Product link, check the video description box for product link. 300 Mbps wireless N router. TP-Link Archer C20 AC 750 wireless dual band router. Dimensions 22.3 cm, 35.7 cm, 68.3 cm. Connector type wireless. Data transfer rate 433 mg per second. Wireless type 5.8 GHz radio frequency. Product link, check video description box for product link. TP-Link Archer Gigabit MU-MIMO wireless router dual band. Dimensions 23 cm by 14.4 cm by 3.7 cm. Connector type Wi-Fi. Data transfer rate 1200 MB per second. Wireless type 802.11 AC. Product link, check the video description box for product link. Product name TP-Link TLWR845N 300 Mbps wireless router. Dimensions 14.4 cm by 23 cm by 3.5 cm. Connector wireless. And data transfer rate 300 MB per second. Wireless type 802.11 BGN. Product link, check the video description box for product link. Conclusion. So, now you know the advantages of owning the fastest and portable Wi-Fi router for your personal use. You will experience a high-speed network with the fastest Wi-Fi router, and it will increase your productivity as well. Get yourself the best Wi-Fi router for home use and enjoy uninterrupted streaming. Please don't forget to check the product details in the video description box. Thank you.